Alright, good morning. So, last night I was trying to install my new carbon fiber air intake. And, let me see if I can get this in here. So, while I was working on getting the mass airflow sensor in there, I broke the rubber gasket piece that holds the mass airflow sensor. Now, for those of you that end up with this issue, just go on and run down to your local auto parts store. Mine happened to be Advanced Auto Parts. And there is a vacuum sensor adapter kit made by Spectre. You can go and get that. It comes with the new rubber piece that you need. Alright, and it also comes with a drill bit to make that hole a little bit bigger so that you don't have issues putting your sensor in there. Alright, so I'm going to fiddle with that. And I'll get back with you guys once I get the sensor in. Alright, it's later on in the day now. I've been to Advanced Auto Parts. I actually purchased that Spectre, grommet kit from there. That didn't work out, okay? So I'm just letting you know right now, don't waste your money on that. If you can't get your grommet in there, or if you break your grommet and you need a new one, go to Jegs, okay? Jegs literally had 125 piece kit. It's an assortment of those rubber grommets in all different sizes. I don't know if y'all can see that. Literally, I'm excited. I'm about to go home. I might put the head strap on so you guys can see the installation complete. But yeah, I'm excited. Hurry up and get this intake put on, and then if I can get this intake put on quickly enough, then I'll shoot over to the exhaust shop and get that gold tip cut off and get the regular tip cut off and get the gold one welded on. Okay, so yeah, but I'm not trying to be at the exhaust shop all day, and they get really busy. So, you know, my plan was to be there when they opened at 8 a.m. But unfortunately, the intake install just didn't go as planned. Okay, so, but like I said in my last video, when things don't go as planned, when you get punched in the gut, you know what I mean? You roll with those punches. You gotta figure out what the next step is. My issue was I broke the grommet that goes into the air intake, which is the grommet that holds my MAF sensor, or my mass airflow sensor. And instead of just, oh, woe was me, give up and just like scrap the idea of a cold air intake, I'll just go find a new grommet, man. Like, and if I wasn't able to find a grommet, I'm gonna just let you know, I bought some epoxy as well. I was just gonna epoxy that bad boy in there. So, Jegs, luckily Jegs came through with the grommets, but just saying, there's always another way. Figure it out. Figure it out. All right, get in there. Look at that ugly hole. But it fits properly, so that's all that matters. Matter of fact, let me just put the grommet in. There's that. Now, take this bad boy. I'm gonna try and brace it underneath if my fingers will reach. There's that. Now, that's slipped on there. Screwdriver. Alright, so that is on there. I'll loosen it, bring it this way a little. But not too far. That's good right there. Nice and tight. Alright, so my camera died before I could finish it up, but I did get it all finished. There it is. I got the bracket. I kind of had to just figure that out myself. Got the filter. Install. Clips. Plug. Everything is set. And then there's that cable right there. Kind of just replace it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this one right here, I just kind of figured that out on my own too. But yeah, that's what it looks like when it's all said and done.